If your kitchen cabinets are looking a little dull and grimy, it's time to get steamed up. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Just ahead, I'll share how you can turn your microwave into a powerful cleaning tool right after this.
Is your home protected from electrical fires? To celebrate National Electrical Safety Month, Leviton and Today's Homeowner are giving away 50 AFCI outlets every day this week. AFCI, or arc fault circuit interrupter outlets, detect dangerous arcs in your electrical wiring and immediately shut off the electricity. Don't let a crimped cord or damaged wire threaten your home. Enter now at todayshomeowner.com/giveaway for a chance to win a free Leviton AFCI outlet. We're giving away 50 a day.
Kitchen cabinets take a lot of abuse. Everything from spills, smoke from cooking, natural oils on our hands, even contact with our pets. All these things start taking their toll, and soon the cabinets just don't look their best. Here's a great tip for quick and easy cleaning right down to the pores. Take a regular kitchen sponge and run it underwater. Wring it out so that it's only damp. Place the sponge in your microwave and heat it on high for 20 seconds. Be sure to put on a pair of rubber gloves to remove the sponge because it will be hot. Now, using your favorite citrus cleaner, and I really like the orange-based ones, spray it on the cabinets and scrub it down with the steamy sponge. The combination of the heat and citrus will cut right through all the grime and leave your cabinets looking new and smelling great. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.